Hey everyone, I am back to another used device unboxing video. Today in this video, I like to share you guys OnePlus 12. So let's start with unboxing. So at first open the box, we get another box and here we are get SIM tool, warranty card, some paper and sticker. Next our smartphone, then 100-watt adapter and USB Type-C cable. The smartphone comes with Gorilla Glass Big Touch on the front and Gorilla Glass in the back with the aluminum frame. And design-wise, the smartphone look too much premium and the matte finish is so good, but this phone is too much sleepy. The smartphone comes with 6.82-inch LTPO 120Hz refresh rate with 1B color AMOLED panel, and the smartphone peak brightness is 4500 nits and the screen resolution is 2K resolution. Security wise, the smartphone comes with the in-display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Performance wise, the smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, and the smartphone running Android 15 based on OxygenOS 15. The smartphone have a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, 48MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 120x digital zoom, and 48MP ultra wide, and the phone 32MP single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 24fps video, and you also record 4K 30 and 60fps video. This smartphone camera quality is also very good. Daylight you can take a great pictures. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is pretty good. Overall the camera quality is very good on this budget, and the smartphone powered by 5400 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charger and 50-watt wireless charging supported. So that pretty much for our short unboxing and short review, and full review coming our channel. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.